Ladies and gentlemen, the spirit of Jezebel is moving in the church of Jesus Christ, especially in city churches, especially in urban churches. And you call such fashion that has never been fashion. It has never been fashion. That cannot be fashion. They are seducing our young people. That's why our young people in Uganda, when the father goes to work and the mother goes to work, they sleep with the 6-year-old girls, because men have nowhere anywhere today to cover their eyes. Wherever they turn, there is seduction. Wherever they turn, there is immorality. Wherever they turn, they are impure. Wherever they turn, there is nudity. So they are looking for a time to express their sexual desire. And all they get is a 6-year-old girl in P1. Because there is nudity all around us. Look at these pictures on the screen. That is one. Is he a decent man or indecent? How many of you say he's decent? How many of you say he's indecent?
He can fall in love with all the girls here with no one refusing. That one. Yeah, he cannot propose to any girl, and including Joyce. There is no one he can fall in love with and they refuse.
But the man is indecent. Men don't dress that way. Men. I'm talking about a man, not a boy. I'm talking about a man. This is not a man. He's not even a boy. He's something else. I don't know his name. And this has come in church. Go to churches in Kampala and see the boys and men who are playing keyboard, who are playing the guitars. That is indecent. He has compromised his faith. Church of Pergamos. Next picture, please. Look at that one. Everybody at the wedding here, I always see you. Every reception I attend, I watch you. This is how you dress. Is that decent? We are going to put up hands. How many of you said the woman is decent? Golola. Anyagama is indecent. Come on. Be either no or yes. Don't be in the middle. There is no purgatory. You are either in hell or heaven. There is no purgatory. How many of you say it's decent? How many of you say it's indecent? But that's how you dress. I have seen many of you, including adults.
ndabye bangi ku mmwe n'abakulu.
And that's what you did to my wife.
Era ekyo kye mwakola ne mukyala
When I was
wange
celebrating 32
bwe twali
years.
tujaguza emyaka 32.
That's what you did.
kye mwamukola ekyo.
You brought all her breasts up
ne muddira amabere ne mugafulumya
as if I don't know where they are.
nga nninga atamanyi gye gali.
Do you have that picture?
Kireeti.
That's what you did to my wife.
kye mwakola mukyala ge temukireeta.
I came and found her here.
Najja bambi ne musanga.
They had already pumped them.
nga
Look at
baagapakidde
them.
bambi
Look at
ndabayo bwe
them. You mean
baagapakira.
I don't know where they are?
mwe mulowooza simanyi gye
I
gali.
sleep with that woman.
nsuula na mukazi
I
oyo.
bathe with her. She doesn't look like that.
tafaanana bw'atyo.
Oba ye yasalawo oba mwe mwamuteeka akakolyo simanyi.
tasobola kusalawo mukyala.
Kati yali agapika simanyi bwe gafaanana. Zaayo naawe gye nkugambye ogenda.
naawe
Oba akuyombesako kipayi soda nze nja gikuwa. Ate mukyala Kaja is even worse.
mukyala Kayanja ate ye mutabufu.
I am bringing them next week.
nja kumubaleetera wekyeja.
Mukyala Kanja is terrible.
mukyala Kayanja mubi.
Njogera n'abaana be bawulira. Ebyo mukola biki?
What you doing? What is this?
Dayo gye tubadde. Ebyo mukola biki?
Obijja wajwe gy'obitereka.
Mbitereka. That is compromise.
Okwo kwekkiriranya.
Anyone
omuntu yenna
who cannot value his or her private part
atateeka kitiibwa mu bifo bye ebyekyama
is not a human being.
si muntu.
It is even cows were given a tail
n'ente baaziteekako emikira
to cover a little bit.
okwebikkabikkako akatono.
Even cows, they have a tail to cover.
zirina emikira okwebikkako.
Anyone who does not cover his privacy.
omuntu yenna atakweka bwereere bwe.
And this is in the house of God.
ate kino kiri mu nnyumba ya Katonda.
Next picture. Compromise.
okwekkiriranya.
Pergamos church.
ekkanisa y'e Pagamos.
This is a worship leader.
ono akulembera kusinza.
He's leading worship right now.
kati we twogerera ali mu kukulembera
And you
ttendo.
can see the congregation behind.
n'abantu obalaba baabo.
They pumped her breast up.
ebbeere yalinyize n'aliyimusa.
For what?
ku lwaki?
Compromise.
kwekkiriranya.
You want to look like the world.
oyagala kufaanana ng'ensi.
You want to look like Juliana.
oyagala ofaanane nga Juliana.
You want to look like Paris Paris Hilton.
simumanyi namumanya.
Akola ka perfume akasingayo okubeera akalungi.
Okay.
This is compromise.
kuno kwekkiriranya.
Next picture. In the house of
mu
God.
nnyumba ya Katonda.
In the house of
mu
God.
nnyumba ya Katonda.
This is how our girls come to church.
bwe bati bwe bajja mu
And
kkanisa.
the boys are saying,
omulenzi agamba.
this is what? They call it what?
balance.
What are you balancing?
obalansinga ki?
When you go in the toilet there, what do you have to balancing?
bw'ogenda mu toyo oba obalansinga ki?
Out of that trouser is what when you go to the toilet?
kati mu mpale eyo gy'oyambadde oba obalansinga ki mu toyo?
Mukupa biki?
What are you copying?
People are living in the world but they come to church.
abantu babeera mu nsi naye bajja mu kkanisa.
And I see some of my mine here, my own people.
nange ndaba abantu bange
They
wanno
come like this.
bajja bwe bati abamu.
And many of them come with an extra lesu.
abalala ne bajjayo n'akaleeso.
Because they know
kubanga bakimanyi
the
bulungi.
moment they reach church
bwe bannatuuka mu
and
kyaki
they sit,
ne batuula.
the kagoye will pull further.
akagoye nga kongera kesika.
So he come with a
kati
kalesu.
ajja n'akaleeso.
You are compromising your faith.
oli mu kwekkiriranya n'enzikiriza yo.
Kankubuulire.
Let me tell you.
Kankubuulire.
Let me tell you.
Omusajja omutegeevu
An understanding man,
okujjako ng'ayagala kwebakako bwe basinaawo
unless he just wants to sleep with you,
akuweeyo emitwalo ebiri.
then he may give you
Teri
20,000.
musajja mutegeevu agenda kuwasa muwala oyo.
There is no understanding man that is going to marry that girl. Akombye ku mike.
Teri musajja mutegeevu.
There is no an understanding man
awasa busambi obwo
that will marry such thighs
nga butambulira bweru.
when they are moving naked.
Gw'obulaba ku TV nga fashion.
You see it on TV as a fashion.
Mubiraba ku Spark.
You see them on Spark.
Ebyo.
That is it.
Ne mulowooza mwambadde.
And you think you have dressed up.
No man
Teri musajja
can marry
ayinza kuwasa
a woman
omukazi
who walks with her thighs out.
asobola okuwasa omuwala ng'atambula ebisambi biri bweru.
Ekyo nkibabuulira. Oba ky'obadde okola obasikirize
If you
teri
have
agenda
been doing that to entice them, no one is going to marry you.
ojja kufunayo bufunyi agenda kukozesaayo ennaku bbiri.
Just get somebody to use you for 2 days
Weeye emitwalo egyo.
and give you 20,000. Yegendere.
Oyo tebamuwasa.
They don't marry that
Iyo
one.
nkolongo.
That is enkolongo.
Ogwo muzimu.
It is a demon.
Iyo daimoni.
That is a demon.
Ogwo musambwa.
It is a ghost.
Ekyo kiteega.
That is a chitega.
God bless you all.